So today we are going to talk about something very interesting for the kids, the schoolgoers. Yes, we are going to talk about International Maths Olympiads. As you would know, this is one of the most prestigious international exams in the world. Now, what is so special about it? Definitely, it has got a tremendous prestige, international recognition, and of course a great value if it is put in the resume or any application. Let me tell you what it takes to crack this great exam. Yes, of course, since this exam is on maths, they need to know the basic concepts of maths, be it arithmetic, little bit of algebra, geometry, data handling, etc., which is a part of a school syllabus, but then there is something really tricky about it. So let me take you through that part. So if you ask me, is it possible to crack this exam only by following the regular syllabus of the boards? The answer is no. Now, why is that so? If you look at the concepts and the applications and the pattern of the questions, definitely it compels you to think. At the same time, there is a huge pressure of time. You have to get the answer really fast. So what really matters is in how much time you can answer how many questions. And it's a competitive exam, so your rank matters, hence your performance should be definitely much above the average students. That is the most critical part. So at EduSpire, what we have started doing is to teach students about those tricks, concepts, chapter by chapter, take them through practice, mock tests, etc. And the speciality about the way we teach is we believe in tremendous amount of personal care and attention. We believe every student is a different story, so to build the concepts step by step, we need to give them that much of time, we need to put that much of effort that they deserve. The entire team of experienced faculty members believe in results, and to get the results, what we have felt is it is necessary to pay personal and individual care and attention. So we take that special care to make the study plan, develop the concepts. So definitely we also tell them how to take the test, what are the strategies. Definitely it is all about discipline, strategy and regularity. And one of the most interesting parts, these days we the parents do not have enough time because we get engaged into jobs or other activities. So definitely we do have the physical form of coaching, which is face-to-face coaching at our centers. We have 4 centers in and around Kolkata. But apart from that, we are also teaching the students through live online platform. So why and how is this live online platform help you or your kids? So then, if your kid is being able to take the training live in a very both way interactive fashion, then at what time he could have gone to the centers. If you plan for a physical coaching, does not depend on the time of the parents. Often before engaging our students in different activities, we the parents start thinking at what time are we free, because they can't travel alone. Since they cannot travel alone, we have to take them, either the mother or the father would take them to the tuition center and would probably wait for that time and then come back. So they would think about an engagement of 3 hours in that particular day, only to take the kid to the tuition center and get back home. So for virtual coaching or live platform, online platform, what we are doing, you do not have to bother about that part, because your kid is being able to study and interact with us directly from home, and that too at a time which is preferred by him or her. Isn't that great? So at the last, let me all tell you, the best investment that the parents can do for their child is to educate them, train them for something which is futuristic. Let them grow. Their growth potential is infinite. That's all for the day. So we'll catch up very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Thank you so much.